In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on Google Drive using a computer. If your drive is running low or you're getting storage warnings, this quick cleanup will help you reclaim space by targeting your largest files first and permanently removing what you no longer need. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each click does, and share a few tips to help you avoid deleting anything important. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to drivegoogle.com. You can use any modern browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that's actually running out of space, especially if you manage multiple accounts on the same device. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the left-hand menu and click Storage. This view is designed for cleanup. It typically shows your files sorted by how much space they use, with the biggest items at the top. Take a moment to review the list. Large videos, archived folders, and old project files are common space hogs. If you're unsure about a file, you can select it and preview the details to double-check before removing it. When you're ready to delete, click a file once to select it. To choose multiple files, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking, or use Shift to select a range. With your file selected, right-click on the selection and choose Remove. This moves the files to trash, which is like a safety net. Note that at this point, the files are not gone yet and your storage may not free up immediately. Next, to finish the cleanup, go back to the left-hand menu and click Trash. Here, you'll see everything you just removed. If you spot something you didn't mean to delete, you can restore it now before it's permanently erased. When you're confident with your choices, click Empty Trash. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to proceed. Click Delete Forever to confirm. This step is permanent and cannot be undone, so take a final moment to review before you confirm. After emptying the trash, your available storage should update shortly. If you still need more space, repeat the process in storage to find and remove additional large files. Also remember that items shared with you generally don't count against your storage unless you've made your own copy. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.